The budget EV segment usually means boring, slow-moving front-wheel drive appliances, but Geely just tore up the rulebook. This is the all-new, refreshed 2026 Geely EX2. Already an absolute sales juggernaut in China, moving nearly 500,000 units, this small electric hatchback is officially going global, and it is being built right here in Indonesia. Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today, we are diving into why engineers are calling this an unintentional driver's car, its massive new 2026 battery upgrade, and how it is aiming to completely destroy the budget EV competition. Unlike its front-wheel drive competitors like the BYD Dolphin, the Geely EX2 is built on the innovative GEA architecture and features a rear-wheel drive chassis layout. This configuration creates incredibly precise steering and a playful, engaging driving dynamic. For the 2026 refresh, Geely didn't just stop at handling. They loaded the top trims with their brand new Geely Afari smart driving system. Fueled by 3mm wave radars and 11 cameras, it brings semi-autonomous highway cruising straight to the budget tier. Pop the 70-liter front trunk and you will find mechanical wizardry. The EX2 features an 11-in-1 intelligent e-drive system that packages the motor, gearbox, and inverter into a single hyper-efficient pod. While lower versions get a city-focused 58 kWh motor, the top-spec version pushes out 85 kWh, around 116 horsepower, and 150 Nm of instant torque. The real headline for 2026 is the brand new 47.14 EQ kWh CATL battery option, expanding driving range to an impressive 480 km on the CLTC cycle and blasting from 30 to 80% charge in a mere 19 minutes. With PT Handal ramping up localized production to meet massive Indonesian demand, the 2026 Geely EX2 is positioning itself as a phenomenal disruptor with an expected sub-Rp 300 Juta price target. It successfully matches mechanical RWD fun with cutting-edge tech architecture. Would you choose this tech-packed RWD pocket rocket over a Wuling Bingguo EV or a BYD Dolphin? Let us know in the comments below, hit that subscribe button for DRX Automobi, and we will catch you in the next high-tech breakdown.